A common cause for this error is corrupted update cache files stored inside the software distribution or catroot2 folders. If these files become damaged because of interrupted downloads, failed updates, or sudden shutdowns, KB5089573 may fail to install and display error 0x800f0983. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Click on I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if it resolved your issues. Now update your PC. First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Locate Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Click on Download Now. Double-click the media installer you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press Accept. Select your language and edition, and then press Next. Select ISO file. Press Next. Select your download folder. Name the file Windows 11. Press Save. Wait for Windows 11 to be downloaded. Press Finish. Double-click the Windows 11 file. Double-click Setup. Press Yes. Press Next. Wait for Windows to update, this might take a while. Press Accept. Select to keep your personal files. Press Install. Wait for Windows 11 to be upgraded to the latest version.